This production farm in the Swan Valley was set up to grow specialist vegetables and chilies for a Thai restaurant in Nedlands. Now, chilies come in the most mind-boggling array of different colours, shapes, sizes, flavours and heat. This fella here called habanero is very, very hot. However, it has fabulous flavour. And its heat is actually eclipsed, believe it or not, by this little fella here called a chicken's beak. This is incendiary. The curious thing is that all chilies originate from Central and Southern America, yet they've been adopted by every cuisine right around the world, and certainly by the Thais. Growing your chilies from seed, it takes between 60 days and around 120 days to get fruit, depending on the variety. And the varieties that take the longest tend to be the hotter ones. They also require a hotter climate. So for those varieties, it actually makes sense to go and buy yourself an advanced plant to get a few months on the season. Chilies crop right through the hot summer months and into autumn, and it's only the cold of winter that slows them down. Some vulnerable varieties like habanero and chicken beak rarely survive winter, so you have to sow again next spring. Growing chilies is pretty easy. First of all, you need a warm, open, sunny spot, and then you need to build up our gutless, sandy soils. So this clay and compost mixture is perfect. Feeding, give them a little and often. Every 3 to 4 weeks with this Soil Matters garden is perfect. And when it comes to watering, don't let those roots dry out. Keep them constantly moist. Mulching is one of the secrets of success in growing chilies. Here in the farm, they've got a commercial mulch, but at home, I'd whack on some moisture mulch, about 75 millimetres thick. Can you grow chilies in a pot? Well, you certainly can, and here's how. Take it out of its old one, pop it in the middle of the new one, potting mix all the way around the outside, and make sure you get a really top end mixture like this. And basically, it's that simple. So Itsara, what have you got for us here?
Well, today we got minced pork, snake bean.
One of my favourite ingredients, yes.
Yeah, just picked from the garden.
Yep.
Thai bird eye chili, garlic.
Homegrown?
Yes, our
Yep.
own grown. And this is very special. This Thai holy basil.
Oh, it's got a lovely perfume, yes, very distinctive.
Yes.
So this dish is called pad kaprao, and that refers to the holy basil that's used to give it flavour. And of course it's laced with these lovely chilies, which gives it a bit of heat.